my dear students. I am teacher Mary Ruth Macaraeg and welcome to the science class. But before we start, I would like to remind you the love rules. L. Listen and learn through watching this video. O. Observe and record your findings. V. Be visible and attend to our activities. And E. Engage and do your part. Alright, as we begin our lecture for today, I have prepared an easy mind exercise for you. To answer the given question correctly, you must unscramble the jumbled letters. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. I hope you're ready, so let's begin. The group of reptiles that dominated the land for over 140 million years were the... Your timer starts now. Time's up! The group of reptiles that dominated the land for over 140 million years were the... Dinosaurs! I hope you've got the correct answer because today we are going to have a fun learning session as we discover the animals that once dominated our planet. The dinosaurs. Let us start by filling our minds with some information about them. One of the biggest facts about the dinosaurs is that the British paleontologist Richard Owen coined the word dinosaur in 1842. The word dinosaur was derived from the two Greek words dinos, which means terrible, powerful, and great. And the second word is saurus, which means lizard. The next fact about the dinosaurs is that they have diverse shapes and sizes. Another fact about them is that dinosaurs are living only or lived only on land, not in the air or in the water. Yes, that's correct. Some of the dinosaurs might have feathers, but it was not meant to use for flying. Maybe you are familiar with the pterodactyl. It was probably the most well-known flying dinosaur. But the pterodactyl is not actually a dinosaur at all, but a pterosaur. And pterosaurs were airborne reptiles that just coexisted with the dinosaurs. I hope that is clear to you. And dinosaurs could be carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. It means that dinosaurs are having a different kind of diet. Some only consumed meat, some only consumed plants, and some consumed both meat and plants. Amazing, huh? Now let us take a closer look to the features of the dinosaurs. First, on their teeth. Meat-eating dinosaurs, such as T-Rex, had sharp or pointed teeth. It is used for slicing flesh. While they also have powerful jaws for crushing bones. On the other hand, Plant eaters often had blunt or peg-like teeth or horny beaks for stripping leaves for vegetation. Now on their neck. The largest plant eaters had tall necks for reaching the leaves up in the trees. On the other hand, meat eaters had shorter, muscly S-shaped necks to help them tear and twist off chunks of flesh. What about their skin? The dinosaur skin were thick and tough. It can be covered with protective scales or feathers. Let us now go down and look at their feet. Their feet were directly beneath them and not to the sides. Take a look at the picture. The upright legs of the dinosaurs fully supported their weight, which is one of the reasons why they are heavy. And lastly, let us check their tail. Dinosaurs that stood on two legs used their tail to help them balance as they leaned forward, while others used their tails like whips to fend off attackers. Maybe you are now wondering why we humans haven't seen any of these dinosaurs. Well, it's because the people and the dinosaurs never lived together. The dinosaurs lived before we existed here on Earth, and that was when? During the Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era has been derived from the Greek words meso, meaning between or middle, and zoon, which means living being or life. It was subdivided into 3 geological periods. The Triassic era, the Jurassic era, and the Cretaceous era. Now that we've already explored the age when the dinosaurs lived on Earth, let us now meet the family of the dinosaurs. Let us uncover what common types of dinosaurs have been found in countries from the different parts of the world. Let us learn the meaning of their names and how to say them. Let us start with the first type of dinosaurs, the small theropods. The family of small theropod is composed of Troodon, and Troodon means wounding tooth. The Troodon may have been smarter than the average dinosaur, and perhaps even as intelligent as modern birds. Troodon. Next, we have the Velociraptor. The Velociraptor means quick plunderer. The go-to weapons in Velociraptor's arsenal were the single, curved, 3-inch long claws on each of its hind feet, which was used to slash, jab, and disembowel prey. Velociraptor. Now, let us meet the family of the large theropods. And the Spinosaurus belongs here. The Spinosaurus means thorn lizard. It was the largest of all known meat-eating dinosaurs, even larger than the T-Rex. Spinosaurus. Next is the Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus means two-ridged lizard. Scientists believe that this creature used its paired crest to find a mate. The crest would likely be larger or more colorful in stronger males. Dilophosaurus. Now we have the Tyrannosaurus rex or the T-Rex. It means tyrant lizard. The T-Rex lives up to its reputation as one of the most fearsome animals of all time. Its powerful jaws had 60 teeth, and each one of them measures up to 8 inches long. Its bite was around 3 times as powerful than that of a lion. Tyrannosaurus. And now, let us meet the family of the ceratopsian dinosaurs. We have the Triceratops. Triceratops means three-horned face. The horns could have been used to fend off attacks from the T-Rex. A partial Triceratops fossil that was collected in 1997 has a horn that was beaten off with bite marks from the T-Rex, and this fossil shows that the horn healed from being beaten. So at least the Triceratops survived the attack or the encounters between the T-Rex. Triceratops. And now, let us meet the Psittacosaurus. The Psittacosaurus means parrot lizard. It was a fast-moving herbivore that had a beak with no teeth in it, but did have cheek teeth in the rear of its mouth which helped it process plants. Psittacosaurus. Next, the Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus means roof lizard. Compared with the rest of its body, the Stegosaurus had a small head and its brain was around the size of a palm. And Stegosaurus belongs to the family of the armored dinosaurs. Stegosaurus. Next, we have Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus means stiff lizard. It was often compared to an army tank or bus. Ankylosaurus was a heavily armored dinosaur with a large club-like protrusion at the end of its tail. Ankylosaurus. So, these are the common types of dinosaurs that roamed the earth hundreds of millions of years ago. Oops! Before we end this lecture, I have a bonus fascinating facts for you about the dinosaurs. The longest dinosaur name is Micropachycephalosaurus. And how do we learn about the dinosaurs? We learn about them through paleontology. And why did the dinosaurs go extinct? Their extinction still remains a mystery. Some claims because of climate change, diseases, and geologic events. That is why they are now gone. Sadly, we don't have any chance to bring these dinosaurs back because extinction is forever. But the good news is, we have the power to stop animal extinction, and we must act now. As Anthony Douglas Williams once said, when we lose an animal species to extinction, we lose part of our family. Once again, thank you so much for discovering the dinosaur world with me. I am teacher Mary Ruth Macaraeg and see you to another fun learning session. Bye-bye!